Very good afternoon. This is Welcome on Sunday Lunch. Today we're going to cook that Mallu Dad is cooking the Pakistani chicken curry. You heard me right. Inspiration by none other than this an amazing Shan Masala. I've tried this in Dubai. This is one of the most yummiest masalas ever available. I'll bet you no other Indian masala can come close to this. It is my vouch. Alright. The fragrance is amazing. You can just watch. It's yellow in color. This is around 50 grams and this is worthwhile. This is worthwhile for 1 kg of chicken, and we have washed the fresh boiler chicken, Venki Kop, what we call it as, and with the skin, because the skin will actually enhance the texture, will give you that fatty flavor. First step we're going to do is, see, the entire Pakistani is of inspiration from Mughal, or so-called the Mughlai kingdom. What we're going to do is we're going to make brista first. We're going to fry at least 4 onions in the oil, and in the same oil we're going to go ahead and saute it, add some cashews, and then obviously just add few ingredients. The ingredients are very simple. You're going to add a little bit of cashew. This is nothing but the poppy seeds. This is my favorite. Enhances any non-veg masala gravies. And obviously we have cut this juvenile ginger, and then at least 2 cups of curd. 2 cups of curd, we will beat it up and then we'll add it to the gravy.
Shoot up kandadi. Pan che, zoom che, ending che.
Well, we're going to add. Ideally, what we do is we're supposed to add ghee, but then we're avoiding ghee. We'll add ghee to the later. But right now, we're adding 200 ml of just a normal vegetable oil. And this is to fry the bista. We're going to add cashews as well. Large size onions to make this brista. Mine cashews.
Item.
Ghee rice mom. Huh? And the main dish is going to be ghee rice. What I'm going to do, since we had ghee rice, and I've added 200 grams also of basmati rice, just to give that enhanced flavor. You might not do this, but ideally speaking, you can use jeera sambar rice for ghee rice. Since we are Mallus in God's own country, we always prefer the short grain rice.
ಕೈ ಕವರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು చట్టి కొట్టి చూస్తున్నాను స్టవ్ ఇన్ స్లిప్ ఆఫ్
జింజర్ గార్లిక్ పేస్ట్ వేయడం ఓకే
జింజర్ ఇప్పుడు లైట్ దినకు
कटक मत
ആയിട്ടോ 0 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോഴേ ഫോളോ ഇട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ?
This is the secret Shan Masala you need to know. Mention it. This is going to be the game changer. Trust me, this is going to be a game changer. നീ കുറച്ച് ബോയിൽ ആവണം. ചിക്കൻ ബോയിൽ ആയിരുന്നു. മതി വിട്. Zoom. I will zoom it there. Never zoom. Next.
ആയിട്ടോ
One more glass. Next. Okay, let's cook, baby. Folks, look at that gravy. It's just simmering in this beautiful masala. You know, the same oil that we cooked onions. We put the chicken, marinated it, kept it for almost 20 to 25 minutes. Now we're going to add the secret to it. The brista that we gone ahead and we have literally crushed it along with a little bit of cashew. I'm going to add this. The gravy. Now just watch how the color changes to the gravy. Just pan it. Just see the color change, okay? Tipsy. Madi. Now you have to taste. Yeah.
ചോറെല്ലാം ചീത്താക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ
फोटो എടുത്തിട്ടല്ലേ